ever received a notification on your phone from one of your favorite brands that seems ridiculously well-timed?
All of a sudden, The Gap will pop up on my phone stating I have a coupon and I can go shopping.
Every day.
Every time I go that way.
Do you ever get ads on your phone that seem to know where you are or like...
Oh, absolutely.
He says the Urban Outfitters app has his number.
Whenever I come within like 50 feet, I get like, hey, did you know there's a sale ending in a couple days?
Well, it's not just a coincidence. Shopping apps from companies like Macy's and Urban Outfitters do use the phone's GPS to access your location.
They have technologies that can follow you as you walk through sectors of the store and connect to your data, so they know who you are.
Sure enough, after I install the Urban Outfitters app, it pings me as I walk into a store in Philadelphia. In San Francisco, it was almost a block away when the app lit my phone up with notifications.